How to connect your PC to Wi-Fi without Ethernet cable. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go out quick and easy on how you can connect PC to Wi-Fi without Ethernet cable. Well, the first step is to head over to the Start menu, and from here you wanna search in for Device Manager right here. So open up Device Manager. Once you have opened up Device Manager here, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Let me make it full screen. So you should be able to find the network adapters option here. You can click on it, and now you want to see if the wireless adapter is here installed. Now, if you do not have one, you'll have to install it in order to be able to use Wi-Fi wirelessly. So if you don't have one, buy one wireless network adapter, and install it on your PC, and then you can proceed to connect wirelessly for internet without using the Ethernet cable. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.